Hit the ground, got the frost on my breath, every bar's coming down. I'm the red-blooded renegade, slave ride outlaw, turning up a wild when I step in the snowfall. I got reindeer rolling like Detroit chrome and the whole block shakes.
Alright guys, so now I've got a graham cracker with half a stick of butter, a little bit of graham, and some brown sugar. I don't measure my brown sugar like most would say, a half a cup or a quarter cup. I do it to taste. You know, if you want it the other way, go look up Angel Mama or one of the other ones, because it ain't me. I hope you guys want to try this. I've got
Kid Rock in the cold with the fire inside, and I'm still going 12 rounds with a holiday vibe. Let the cold wind blow, let the snowflakes fall. We're stronger together, one and all. Raise a glass to the
badass barn.
we ignite. This season shines when we're side by side. Red, white, and Christmas lights lighting up the sky in glowing stripes. Hold close what you love tonight. We're living loud and warm in the winter bite. Yeah, cheers to the season.
Wait. But that's okay. That's a good thing about these. I think that's enough. I'm gonna take a little bite. It looks like it's still pretty hot. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is freaking fire. Just say when. I don't have to put a cherry on top because there's already cherries in it, but just so I do. There you go. Well, I'll post this with the recipe. Should be out here shortly. Cranky's out.